In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a board on Monday.com. Whether you're part of a team or just trying to collaborate effectively with others on your projects, knowing how to share boards can be a real game changer. It makes it incredibly easy to keep everyone on the same page and ensure that your project is moving along smoothly. So, let's jump right in and get started. First off, you'll want to open up your Monday.com account and navigate to the specific board that you wish to share. This is a crucial first step, as the board needs to be the one you intend for your collaborators to see. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct board. This will help you avoid any unintended shared access or confusion later on. Once you've accessed your desired board, look towards the top of the screen. There, you'll find 3 horizontal dots, also referred to as the More Options menu. This is your gateway to accessing various features and settings of the board. Give it a click. It's designed to be intuitive, but if you're unfamiliar with the layout, just know you're on the lookout for those 3 little dots sitting conveniently at the upper section of the screen. As you click on these dots, a menu will appear with several options. Among them, you should see an option labeled Share View. This is the key feature you need to proceed. By selecting this option, you're beginning the process of creating a shareable view of your board. It's designed to help you easily manage who gets to see what on your board, so go ahead and click on Share View. Following that, you'll be prompted with a Start button. This is part of the setup to either generate a shareable link or manage permissions related to viewing the board. Clicking Start takes you through the next steps in preparing to share. It's a straightforward action, but necessary to transition into the final stages of sharing. Finally, the last step is clicking on Copy. This action generates a link to your board that you can easily share with anyone you need to. By copying this link, you now have the ability to paste it into an email, a chat, or wherever else might be convenient for distribution. It's convenient and quick, designed to fit seamlessly into your workflow without any fuss. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you've successfully created a way to share your board with others. Remember, sharing is a powerful tool in project management and can dramatically improve communication among team members. Take advantage of this feature in Monday.com to enhance your project's success, and you'll likely see positive results. Thanks for tuning in, and happy sharing.